Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to generate content with Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want to create blog posts, social media captions, emails, video scripts, or other written content, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Prompt or Create Prompt to begin a new project. Next, choose a Gemini model from the available options. Then, in the prompt box, clearly describe the content you want the AI to generate. Include details such as the topic, writing style, target audience, tone, and desired length for the best results. Now click the Run or Generate button and wait a few seconds while Google AI Studio creates your content. Review the response carefully to make sure it matches your requirements. If you'd like a better result, edit your prompt by adding more context or giving clearer instructions. You can also ask the AI to rewrite, expand, shorten, or improve the content until you're satisfied with the final version. Continue experimenting with different prompt styles to discover which instructions produce the highest quality responses for your projects. Finally, copy the finished content or save your prompt so you can reuse it later and maintain consistent results across future projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate content with Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.